Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I bid good morning to my fellow classmates SS6, Dr. Shaz and Dr. Sam. So, we are from a company called UpHeim. It is a food and beverage company. So, let's first meet our team, which comprised of me, Irfan, as the Chief Executive Officer and Founder. Second, Adib as the Chief Revenue Officer. Third, Arifah as the Chief Financial Officer. And lastly, but not least, Mazwin as the Chief Marketing Officer. So, as a company, we must have a vision and mission. So, let's first get through it. So, our vision is simple and clear. It is upgrading our home and enhancing life. And as per our mission, it is to provide superlative household food and beverages products across the world. So, in this meeting, we are going to talk about the SWOT analysis comprising of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And lastly, we are going to talk about the goals, the 3 goals that we have implemented and their respective objectives.
Firstly, I'm going to talk about elements of SWOT analysis. The first element of SWOT analysis is strength. There are few strengths that UpHeim company has obtained throughout the centuries. The first one is the products have been patented. The second one is products uses high quality materials. The third one is strategic location of factories to manufacture and fry out products. The fourth one is diversified line of products, which concludes baby foods to even cereals to even coffees. The fifth one is globally recognized brand.
So now let's move on to the second element of SWOT, which is weaknesses. In our analysis of weaknesses, we have identified 5 things that we need to give attention. So the first one is our internal communication between branches and headquarters needs some improvement to enhance our overall efficiency. The second one is about cultural adaptation. Adapting to regional differences and diverse cultures is crucial for our company's success. It means that our company needs to tailor our approach to meet the unique needs of each market. The third one is our current machinery requires upgrades and regular maintenance. So, investing in modern technology is needed to enhance our company to stay competitive. And moreover, some people perceive that our company products are expensive. So, addressing to this perception involves strategic pricing and effective communication about the value that we provide. And last but not least, is our advertising models are costly. So, our company aims to optimize them for efficiency to ensure that we get the most impact from our promotional efforts. So, these are several weaknesses that we give attention and we need to make improvement.
Next, we go to the opportunities of our brand or our company. So there are 5 things that we want to present to you guys. So the first one is research and development. The second one is collaboration with other brands. The third one is community service and events. The fourth is loyal customer. And then lastly, acquisition of smaller company. So personally, for me, I think the greatest opportunities of our company or brand is collaboration with other brands. For example, if we collaborate with the big other companies such as Avengers, Uniqlo or so on, it will increase the popularities of our companies among the youngsters, teenagers and so on.
So now, we move on to the last and fourth element of SWOT analysis, which is threats. So, as a company, I have listed here 5 threats that I think that we have to be concerned about, which is first, price fluctuation by retailers. The second is data security. The third is contamination of supplies. The fourth is suppliers not delivering materials on time. And the last being future global economic uncertainty. So I think that the biggest concern that we have is price fluctuation by retailers, because we cannot foresee if our prices is going to increase or decrease, and this will affect the market, whether people will be interested to buy and whether we are going to achieve the profit that we intended. So that concludes our SWOT analysis for our company. Let's move on to the goals and objective of our company. So what are the differences between goals and objective? So goals are plans that we want to achieve in the span of 3 to 5 years. And for objective, it is a plan that we want to achieve within a year. So the three goals that we have decided for our company is digital transformation. The second is sustainable sources and practices. And the last but not least, product innovation and diversification.
First and foremost, let's see our first goals and their objective. Our first goal is digital transformation, and their objectives are invest in a digital technologies, develop and implement a comprehensive e-commerce strategy. Let me explain about the invest in digital technologies. Investing in digital technologies involves allocating resources to adopt and integrate cutting-edge digital tools and solutions within your business operation. These may include implementing cloud computing, data analytics, artificial intelligence or AI, and other technologies to enhance efficiency, productivity, and innovation. For the second objective, which is develop and implement a comprehensive e-commerce strategy, we will creating a plan for online sales and presence. This includes aspects like designing a user-friendly website, optimizing the online shopping experience, implementing secure payment system, and leveraging digital marketing to attract and retain customers. This goal is to capitalize on digital channels for selling products or services and reaching a broader audience.
Based on our second goal, which is sustainable sourcing and practices, we have laid out two important objectives that we are working on. So, the first one is about ethical partnership. We are teaming up with suppliers who share our values of doing things the right way. This means they are committed to ethical practices, ensuring the products that we get from them meet responsible and sustainable standards. It is all about making sure our entire supply chain is built on fairness and good practices. So for the second one is about eco-friendly packaging. We are putting extra effort into our packaging. So right now, we are on a mission to use materials that are kinder to the environment. So when you buy our product, you are also support the move towards a greener and healthier planet. It is our way of contributing to a future where sustainability is a top priority. These goals show our dedication to making responsible choices in everything that we do.
The third goal of UpHeim company is product innovation and diversification. The objectives of this goal are to allocate resources for research and development, and secondly, to conduct consumer feedback sessions and market testing. I'm going to explain to you about product innovation and diversification first. So imagine UpHeim is like a big kitchen where they make lots of different yummy foods and drinks. Product diversification for UpHeim is like having variety of ingredients in the kitchen, not just one or two. They use different ingredients to make all sorts of tasty snacks like chocolate, cereals, or even coffee. Now, innovation is like having a chef who comes up with brand new recipes. These recipes might have cool new flavors or ways of making the snacks healthier or more fun. The chef thinks of creative ideas to make the food even more delicious. So, for the first objective, which is the allocating resources for research and development, this is like UpHeim, like giving the chef and the kitchen team the tools and time to try out new recipes. They might set aside a special ingredient or equipment for testing new ideas. This helps them discover exciting ways to make their snacks better and create new ones that people will love. So, UpHeim uses different ingredients, comes up with new recipes, and gives their chef the right tools to keep making tasty treats for all of us. For the second one, which is market testing, market testing is basically like bringing up some new snacks to the playground and letting everyone have a taste. The chefs want to see if the kids or even grown-ups think the snacks are super tasty or if there is anything that could be better. It's like a fun taste test to make sure the treats are just right before they go to the store. So, UpHeim talks to their friends, people who love snacks, to hear what they think and lets them try the new treats on the playground before sharing them with everyone. That way, they can make snacks that make everyone happy.
So we have reached the end of our meeting, and a big thanks to all of you for hearing this. So as a company, I hope that in the future we can expand our business and possibly attracting more investors as well as possible partnership. So that's all. Thank you.